Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, whatever time you're watching this video. Welcome to my channel. It is SIMPLEFX, your favorite female trader. And I'm just going to go over a quick breakdown on NFP, this NFP Friday. Gold that we took this morning. I did have my private live stream session this week, and we are on a beautiful 5-day win streak, 5-win streak. Haven't lost a trade the entire week. This was the last trade of the week that we took today, and it was a great one. So I said, you know what, let me do a breakdown online to explain how we caught the move. And I fully explained my entries, my exits, my stop losses inside those live streams. So if you're ever interested in them, you got to be following me on Instagram, because I only announce them on my Instagram. So make sure you're following me there. All the information is in the description box below. So let's get into this breakdown right here. So basically we had NFP today, right? So NFP, you want to wait for NFP to kind of wrap itself up. All right. Now, gold had been in this nasty range here for a while, like right here. Okay. So before NFP kicked off today, let me borrow my bar replay. Boom, right here. All right, gold was inside this box here. So we really don't know if we're looking for the buys. We don't know if we're looking for the sells. But here, this 8 o'clock candles go to the 1 hour. So I can show you guys super clearly how I caught this move and how I was able to call it out. And everybody won. All of the members won on this move. Excellent move. So gold was inside this range. All I was waiting for was gold to either break my high or break the low of this range after news. So after news spiked to the downside, then spiked up. What I was looking for is for price to break and close above. Right now, if it was bearish, I'd be looking for close below. But because it was bullish, I saw, okay, price is pushing up. I was waiting for it to close above inside this area here, which it eventually did. If you look here, we got a nice close above the area there. All right, let me go to the 5 minute so it can look a little bit more clear. So this is what we saw on the 5 minute. Let me go back to show you guys my entry, which was right here. So this is the zone that I had marked off here on gold, and I wanted gold to just stay above this area. I wasn't sure if it was going to come down inside here and wick and close above. Even if it did that, that would have been perfect, but we didn't get that. I just wanted it to stay above this area, which it eventually did. Once this candle closed and the next one opened up bullish, I just wanted it to, I took a trade and I wanted it to see it break this high. I didn't wait for it to break these highs here, because these are 5 minute highs, 5 minute low confirmation time frame. So that not the hardest zone to break. So I said, if I wait for price to come up here, I'm going to be kind of giving myself a way bigger stop loss, and my entry is not going to be, you know, the best. So I said, nope, I just want to see a 5 minute bullish candle start forming here, and then I'm going to look for the buys. And as always, we took entries once this candle started pumping bullish, holding above this support area. Or a support that was once resistance, holding above that area. I went ahead and took my buys, and eventually price continued pushing, and I was able to catch about 40 pips on it. I didn't know if I wanted to hold, because I know a pullback was coming at some point, and it's Friday, it's Freaky Friday, NFP Friday, so you never really know. You want to secure as much as you can. So I went ahead and took profit at 40 pips, but as you can see, it did pull back. It did pull back nicely, but it still held at the area I wanted it to hold, held my support, and eventually continued bullish. And here we are right now, and price is running very nicely here up. Let's see where we are here. So price has come full circle to about 59 pips. The full TP that I was looking for it to tap into was about 84 pips. So would have been nice to have 84 pip win, or even a 60 pip win, but I caught 40 pips around this area here. And I was in this trade for all of maybe 10 minutes because this candle pushed up very nicely. The next one opened up above the high and continued up, and I was able to catch these two moves here. Right after that, this one came, and here was the pullback that I was anticipating. The pullback happened, held above my support, and then continued making a higher high. And if you also look closely, you'll see that we had excellent market structure while the move was playing out. So I don't have any doubt that it's going to hit this zone. I think it absolutely will tap into that area to finish off the week. Excellent trade. We waited, we were patient, we let news play out. I don't typically trade news. It's just too risky for me, so I like to let it finish. I like to look for my setups at least a half an hour after news to give the market a little bit of time to kind of even itself out a little bit. And we were able to get this wonderful win. So I posted it on my story. I'm more happy for the people that win with me than I am for my own wins, because I'm a trader, so I take the wins, I take the losses. It is what it is. But when you're seeing other people win, it's just that much more satisfying. And not only that, they know why they won. They understand the setup, and they're able to see the markets the way you do, and there's no better feeling. So congrats again to everybody that won this setup, if you were able to catch it, be it if you were on the live session or not. This was excellent. If you practice patience, you practice discipline, and you have a plan for what you want to see in the markets, you're going to be a successful trader. All right. So if you want to learn how I trade and see the markets the way I do, as always, my course link is in the description box below. Next week, I will be having another, it's the same live streams that we're doing. So if you're interested in that, just shoot me a DM and we'll go from there. But other than that, that's it. That's all I got for you guys. Excellent week. Make sure if you won and you're profitable, you withdraw a little something and reward yourself a little bit. All right. So love you guys. Please like, subscribe. And as always, it's your favorite female trader, SIMPLEFX, and I will see you guys on the next one. I'm out.